Butterflies taste with their feet. Yes, you heard that right. These delicate creatures possess sensory cells on their tarsi, which allow them to identify whether a plant is suitable for laying eggs or if it's a delicious source of nectar. Imagine a world where every step you took revealed a new flavor sensation. This is the reality for butterflies as they dance from flower to flower, sampling nature's buffet with each gentle landing. This unique adaptation is crucial for their survival, as it helps them find the perfect host plants for their caterpillars, ensuring the next generation has the best start in life. As they flutter through gardens and meadows, butterflies are constantly tasting their surroundings, making their journey not just a flight but a continuous, flavorful exploration. So next time you see a butterfly gracefully landing on a bloom, remember, it's not just resting, it's savoring the world with every step.